Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, this week we've got a USDA crop report, and we'll see if the market wants to kind of position itself going into the report. Overnight, we got prices up a little bit, and the dollar is starting to be firm. Crude's up and over $56, and copper and gold is rebounding. The market will be watching any news out of Washington concerning tax reform and the President of the United States trip in Asia. Chinese ag futures, beans were a little bit lower, corn was up, meal was down, oil was down, and palm oil was also down. And there was some talk over the last couple of weeks. Chinese have been aggressive buyers domestically of meal. That may have slowed down a little bit. And we're still watching the Chinese policy about improving infrastructure and also adding ethanol in their gasoline blend, and see what kind of impact that might have on commodity prices. U.S. forecast, it's cold today. It's going to be cold this week, but it's going to dry out a little bit, and next week could be drier and also warmer. South American weather looks to be mostly favorable, with rains in Brazil and drier weather across Argentina. Funds were big sellers of beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat, and open interest is now close to a record short in corn. They have a big short in wheat, and they whittled down a little bit their long position in the beans. We expect that the index funds, who are long commodities, will start rolling out of the December futures position later this week. Open interest in D's corn jumped 32,000 contracts on Friday. Continue hard to explain why both wheat and corn open interest goes up every day. As far as the export inspections, beans probably around 85 million bushels, 25 million corn, and maybe 14 million wheat. And as far as the numbers are concerned, the market's looking for maybe a 20 million bushel drop in the bean crop, maybe a 5 million bushel drop in the carryout. Corn, maybe a 100 million bushel increase in the corn crop, and maybe about 20 million bushel increase in the carryout. And the wheat carryout could be down 5 million bushels. So again, on one hand, not expected a lot of changes, but on the other hand, the high frequency traded machines could react to a little bit higher corn crop and a little bit lower bean crop. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.